The Parliamentary Committee on Commission, Statutory Authorities and State Enterprises is continuing with a probe into Bank of Uganda in regard to its closure of 7 commercial banks between 1993 and 2016. The committee had that MMAKS Advocates, the firm the central bank engaged as external lawyers to handle matters on the Crane Bank closure, drafted their own letter of engagement. On Tuesday, it emerged that the lawyers did not even have terms of reference.
And from what legal counsel is reading, looks like the lawyers themselves drafted their terms of engagement.
Under normal procedure, the Bank of Uganda legal team should draft such letters. However, they did not play a role in the entire process.
If it's a legal matter, you have a legal department composed of almost 10 lawyers. You should involve them. What was difficult in you as banker supervision department to involve your own lawyers in actually determining what they cannot provide, and therefore you have to source it out?
Justin Bagyenda, who at the time was the Bank of Uganda Executive Director for Commercial Bank Supervision, says she didn't know who drafted the letter, although she says there was a letter authorizing payment for the external lawyers worth $251 over 900 million shillings. Bank of Uganda Governor Emmanuel Tumusime Mutebile reportedly endorsed the payment. However, the letter cannot be traced. Mutebile has been summoned to explain.
Who is the author of the terms of this engagement?
If I had it the letter of engagement, I would tell you exactly who is the author.
We wouldn't ask you if we had the letter.
I don't
We
have
are
it.
asking you because the letter is missing.
I don't have it, Chair.
It will be very unfair, Madam Bagyenda, to this committee for you to say you can't even remember who authored that document. You yourself took to the governor for approval.
So these documents cannot possibly just disappear like that. So the EDF must provide, because after payment, where did these documents? If this was missing, we should be able to get it.
The Bank of Uganda Legal Counsel denied involvement in drafting the letter engaging the external lawyers.
Were you consulted in drafting this, in all of these legal issues?
No.
Meanwhile, Justin Bagyenda was questioned when the documents her driver and bodyguards allegedly sneaked out of the central bank premises. She said the 3 suitcases contained her personal documents and she was taking them out because she had retired from service.
I had MBA books. I studied MBA by correspondence from Herod University. I had plaques. There were many in my office. I had pictures. They were in my office. I had materials which I got from all the conferences. Those materials, Chair, I used to be a consultant in some of the IMF, World Bank.
The central bank head of security and the guards on duty the day the documents were taken out have been summoned again to explain why they didn't check the suitcases on exit, yet they did so when Bagyenda returned only 2 suitcases a few days later. Kirkland Associates, who were supposed to appear before the commission today. However, this didn't happen. And tomorrow, the chairperson of Kosase Abdul Katuntu says it's the last day to get submissions from all the Bank of Uganda officials. And on Friday, it will be time for the stakeholders of all the defunct banks. Ali Mivule, NTV, Parliament.